Good morning. So nami diri karon sa among bukid diri sa sa Camellia. So look, that's Toothless and Glenn. So mag-jogging ko kay grabe na kayo may katambok. Hi Toothless. Murag na buang. So it's jogging time with Toothless. Check Toothless. Toothless. Come here. Okay, turn. Alright. Uy. So kinanta mag-exercise kay tambok na kayo na. But yeah, Toothless. Si Glenn kay naman ka. Hey. Naman ka. Oh, that's not your place. Hello, oh. So first time ni Toothless diri. Nanguli mi diri sa Camellia, you know, to spend our long weekend with Mama and Papa. Nalipay sa din taon sila nga naami diri. Malipay kay siya. What man? Oh. Toothless. Come here. Wala na ta. Come on. Jog. Wala, namiming. Namiming. Ayaw, cry. Dali. Namiming. This is my jogging area here sa Talisay. Me okay, no? You can see the houses there. Murag autumn diri. Okay. Pero na sa United States of A. So, this is our neighborhood. Yeah. So, na ako diri sa Camellia, guys. Usa ka ko sa diri sa Milan, sa Firenze. So, nara na siya sa taas sa amuang nasa na village pod. So I like it here kay it's overlooking. It's really nice here. As you can see, that's the road going to this neighborhood. So ganahan kay ko diri nga area actually. Okay, and see a lot of dogs. Alright. Jogging while filming. But guys, babalik na ko sa pag-vlog na po. You know naman me, on and off, diba? But yeah. Diba? Ano siya? My morning run here in Hacienda. This is Venecia, I think. And then earlier, napakita na ko ninyo ang Milan. Yeah. Okay na guys. Sige, bitaw. Humana ko jog. And I really encourage everyone na kanaganing mag-healthy living na ta, knowing that we are experiencing this pandemic, and I think the best defense that we should all have is not only through kanang mga face mask or kanang social distancing and all that. I think it's also best for us to keep our body healthy. So you need to take your vitamins every day. Make sure that you will also exercise. Kay lisod kayo na we have conditions, and then simba ko man lang maanuhan mo og virus, so lisod kaya na siya, no, mag-complicate na dyan ang tanan. So if I were you, start exercising and make sure na you will keep a healthy lifestyle. Alright, so that's it. By the way, mubalik na jud ko sa akong mga vlogs soon. It's just that I'm a bit busy. I'm a bit busy and I want to focus on something else for now. But don't worry, definitely mubalik na jud si Barihagay para ninyo. See ya!